Hello, what's happening? So in this video, I'm going to share with you this new super funnel that I found where you can earn passive monthly income, recurring income, and also you can earn up to $900 in a day, 100% profit paid directly to you. So let me just break it down. Let me just show you how this new system works. This new system is brand new. It's brand spanking new, so you want to check it out. You want to get started as soon as possible with it because it's just beginning now and it's really going to take off more and more. So the sooner you can get started, the better. But let me just show you how it works. Okay, so here it is. Here we go, right? So this is the super funnel, right? Discover a foolproof, proven shortcut to creating monthly residual passive income that grows each month on autopilot, plus earn up to $900 one-off extra daily instant commissions, even if you're a beginner, okay? So yeah, you can register for free. All you got to do is go down here, start here. You can register for free. Right now, I don't know how long it's going to be free, but right now you can do it for free. Okay, and you just start here, basically. Boop, boop, boop. I'll put the description in the links, right? And let's go here. So you just got to set up your account. All you got to do is put your name, last name, your goal. Like, what is your goal? My goal is 30,000 a month. That was my goal. That's what I put there. Okay. So you just put in your account, get it set it up for free. And then once you're inside, it's going to look something like this. Okay. So this is, you have one link, but you're promoting seven different income streams. Okay. So one link, it's actually more than that. You get 10 income streams because one of the programs, it has four income streams included in it. So all you got to do is get started with each of these income streams. Just get registered. Like the first one is got backup. You just get registered there. All you got to do is click on this. It will help you get registered. Okay, you get registered so you just got to go through and just get registered with each of the programs. Okay, you want to set up all the income streams because once you set that up, then you qualify for all the income streams. And if you don't set up all of them, then if someone, joins this program, then the person above you, they're going to get the commission if you don't set up the income streams. Okay. So here's the got backup income stream. Then here's SendShark. So this is kind of an email marketing system, email marketing autoresponder. So you're going to be building your email list with SendShark. Okay. So here's another income stream. And then here's another one. And this is the Legacy Builders program. This is what I already promote. This is like my number one business that I've been promoting because you can earn up to $900 a day and you can earn 100% profit. And this is included in one of the income streams. Okay. So that's what I love about this program is the fact that my favorite business is already included inside of here. So people can join the Legacy program through me and it's already one of the income streams, right? So there's that one, and then here's my lead gen secret, and this is cool. I'm going to show you because with this, you can get leads every day. You get 100 free leads every day that you can send out your offer to. Okay. Here's another one. This is the other income stream. This is where you can do solo ads. So you can do solo ads to send your offer out as well. And then this one as well. So there's seven income streams, guys. So you just want to get all of your income streams set up, okay? And then you just got to start promoting your link, right? So how do you promote your link? Well, we show you how. So don't forget to advertise, right? So you just go here and then it just shows you how to get traffic. You want to get some traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is people. You want to send people to your link. Okay, so you're going to have one link and you're going to have 10 income streams, right? And actually, if you get started in the next 6 days, we also added another income stream to the legacy program. So you're going to have 11 income streams if you get started during our Black Friday special. All right, so this is going to just show you how to get traffic, okay? And you can use my lead gen secret. So this is one of the income streams, guys. So all you got to do is just copy and paste this here, right? Oh, where is it? Here. Okay, so this is one of the income streams, guys. So every day you're going to get leads. Okay, so look at today I have 1,800 in leads today, okay? 1,800 people. Leads are potential buyers, okay? So I'm just going to send out this email to all of these people, 1,800 people, and every day you get 100 new leads, okay, guys. Every single day you get 100 new leads, right? So I'm just going to copy and paste this, right? Right here, just simple copy, paste, put it inside of here, okay? And then that means this email is going out to 1,800 people, guys. Now imagine if, imagine if I send out this out to like all these people and I just get even one $900 sale. a day. That's, that's $27,000 a month. That's $328,000 a year. So all you got to do is go here and just copy this, copy and paste, okay? And then you just put it over here, and then you have your emails going out, okay, to people. So you get 100 new leads every day, guys, right? And also inside of the legacy program, we also teach you how to grow your business using social media too, right? So I promote mostly the legacy program, but since this is included inside of the legacy program, I can also promote this and also make legacy sales, guys, which is awesome. That's what I love about this. And I can also earn passive income. With this, you can earn passive recurring income. That means you can make like 10,000 a month, 20,000 a month, whatever, recurring income that's going to you directly, pure passive income, whether you're working or not. That's what passive income, guys, means. You're making money whether you're working or not. So with this system, you can do that, right? This is what I love about it. Okay. So I'm just going to put this link in the description. You can check it out. And if you have any questions, just ask me. So all you got to do is get started. You can sign up for free, get started, go here, set up your system. It shows you step by step how to set everything up. Just get all your system set up. Okay. Put your affiliate, put your name, your affiliate. So put your affiliate information there, get all your links set up, and then just start promoting. Start promoting your business. One link, 11 income streams, guys. It's crazy. So yeah, this is the best opportunity that I've seen online. The fact that you have one link and you just got to promote one link and you can get 11 income streams. Okay. So you could be making money from all different directions. Yeah. So yeah, just get started. Just get started with this. Well, just check it out. Take a look. If you see an opportunity, just get started. Sign up for everything. Sign up for free. Set up your whole system, and then just start promoting your link. That's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to this channel. Let's get the message out. So my mission is to help over 1,000 people make $1 million or more online, and this is a great way to do it. So you just got to be coachable, take action, and just do it. Just go out there and just start doing it. Start making your money. Start building that dream life. That's what it's all about, guys. Life is just all about building that dream life, and I'm here to help you do that. So I'll see you on the next one. All the best.